If your car has a CVT transmission, you might be slowly killing it without even realizing it. I've seen countless cars come into the shop with expensive CVT failures, all because of simple habits drivers never think twice about. Let's talk about the 5 things you should never do if you want your CVT to last. Welcome back to Daily Auto Tips. Your car care starts here. I'm a certified automotive technician. Today we're diving deep into how to protect your CVT from early failure. Whether you drive a Nissan, Toyota, or Honda, these tips can save you thousands in repair costs. 1. Don't floor it from a stop. CVTs hate sudden, aggressive throttle inputs. Flooring it puts extra strain on the belt and pulleys, causing them to wear faster. Accelerate smoothly instead. Your transmission will thank you. 2. Never skip CVT fluid changes. CVT fluid is not lifetime. It breaks down with heat and friction. Change it every 50,000 to 60,000 kilometers, or sooner in city driving. Always use the correct OEM fluid, not regular ATF. 3. Don't tow heavy loads. CVTs aren't designed for heavy towing. Excessive weight overheats the transmission and damages the belt system. If you need to tow, make sure your vehicle is rated for it, or use a car with a conventional automatic. 4. Don't coast in neutral. Coasting downhill in neutral might seem harmless, but it removes engine braking and cuts lubrication inside the CVT. That means more heat and wear, and possibly a big repair bill later. 5. Don't ignore shuddering or whining sounds. A whining CVT is crying for help. Early signs like slipping, jerking, or delayed response mean the fluid is low or the belt is slipping. Ignoring it will only make the repair more expensive. Take care of your CVT, and it'll take care of you. Remember, smooth driving and timely maintenance are the secrets to keeping that transmission alive for 300,000 kilometers or more. If you found this helpful, hit the like button, subscribe to Daily Auto Tips, and drop a comment with your never-do rule for CVT below. And remember, your car care starts here.